You've probably heard of chimichurri, but have you heard of Trinichurri? Well, today I'm going to show you just how I make it. My recipe is a culinary fusion of Caribbean and Argentinian flavors. The sauce is so versatile, you can literally put it on anything, and it is so easy to make. So, to a bowl, add your parsley, your cilantro or shadabeni, garlic, onion, and then you want to add your dried oregano. In goes your chopped pimento peppers, and the next thing you want to do is add your red wine vinegar. Now you can head on over to the website to read about substitutions for this recipe as well as different uses for this fantastic sauce. Next in, your olive oil. Be sure to give everything a good stir to combine, and that is literally all there is to making this sauce. For best results, allow the sauce to sit for a few hours so all the flavors can meld and combine. And then have fun putting it on your grilled meats, your seafood, your veggies, salads, soups, and anything you want.